Mike at the Day Trading Musician. And man, oh man, what a crazy day today was. If you were in calls, props to you. I hope you made a bunch of money. I only made one play today, and it didn't even go the way that I wanted it to go. I mean, I did make money on it, but it didn't. We had a little bit of a glitch, and yeah, let's just walk through it real quick. I was going to take a call, and I'll show you where after we look at this first trade that I made. All right, so as you can see, is about 9 o'clock. I hate using screenshots because my little cursor doesn't line up for me to be accurate. But yeah, I think it's about 9 o'clock. And just like yesterday, was looking to get into puts. Yesterday, if you watched yesterday's video, you know I did not get in puts. I tried the opposite off of open, off of a candle like this. I took a call off of a candle like this, thinking that it was going to do exactly this right here and come back up. So today, I stuck with the trusted and true method, which is if it breaks below this box, get in. And then also on the RSI, if we're clouded, kind of in the overbought area, which here it was kind of touching the line, so it was a weak confirmation, but a confirmation nonetheless. So this was where I entered my trade. Now, as you can see, actually no, I entered on this candle. My bad. I felt like it was going to break under, so I entered on this candle just before. And the craziest thing happened when I entered this candle. I was on the ladder about to use, I usually use the ladder to join the bid. And I might stop doing this because if I keep having this happen, then that's not going to be good. I was looking to get in at 37 cents. I trade with a friend of mine. We were trading, and he was in at 38, and I was going to get in at 37. And the second that I clicked on the ladder over here to click on 37, it jumped up and it got me in at 44, which was kind of the bottom of this right here. That was not a good feeling because what happened? What do you think happened as soon as I entered the trade? It pulled right back up. So at this point, I was like, all right, well, I'm in it, so I'm going to ride it out. This candle opening below gave me confidence that, okay, we're going down. Now, we went down, it shot down to it did a quick pop, and it was like, it bumped down to about 52. Before I could even look to have my sell clicked, because the entry had thrown me off my game, it popped down to 52, and I couldn't get a sell order up fast enough. So not knowing what it was going to do, I just went ahead and tried to get out at 48. My goal is always anywhere from 10 to 20 because we're not looking to, crazy home runs. At least if I can get 10 to 20 and then have a trailing stop, a manual trailing stop, that would be great. But I got out at 48 because I didn't trust it. I wasn't sure about it. And, I kind of already missed the pop. And as you can see, even with it opening down here lower, the premiums didn't move as much as I was hoping they would. So that was the first trade, a little 10% trade, which doesn't really make back everything that we lost this week, but hey, a win is a win, and on a Friday, I will take the win. And I didn't want to overtrade and give that back, after having a week of crummy losses. Yeah, okay, so got out there, wasn't sure just because of the way the price action was moving if we were really going to push down. Now, the day that I lost I don't know if it was yesterday or the day before. I think it was yesterday. I took a 438 call thinking we were going to hit it. So to watch it do this today, really frustrating. But this is, let me see. I think it wasn't 438. I was looking at, and I want to say 436 maybe, because I tried to stay close to, yeah, the low was 28 cents. I tried to stay close to the money. You know, whenever you're not sure how far the move is going to be, you want to be closer to the money so that it moves, you know, the moves are more in your favor. I should have played it right there when I saw this green support line pop up. Once I realized that that was the new support, I should have played it. And then the second confirmation would have been right here whenever that candle opened above the support. So this actually would have been early. That would have been eager buying. But that one for sure. I mean, that was just the same as the put. I should have taken the call right there. And another thing that confirmed that entry is, I mean, this RSI thing is kind of lagging. You know, most indicators are. But right there, bounced right off of that line. So, the rest is history, as they say. And if you were in calls, it never broke. I don't even remember what EMA this is, or SMA. I don't even know which. But yeah, it never broke below it. I mean, even till we're almost at the end of day. And again, if you guys took calls, anybody took calls today, comment. Let me know what it feels like to have a massive win like that, because I envy it. But yeah, that's the trade recap for today. We'll regroup and do it all over again starting on Monday. So hope you guys have a great weekend. All right, see y'all later.